Sorry, not this truck. But this truck is going to get its first mudding experience. And we have spectators. Of course, it's a gasser, so we have no idea if it's going to stall out. This thing has not been running in 7 years until this week, and let's see what's going to happen. Fellow tuber, is this your first time mudding?
Going through the water.
First time?
Yep.
All right, well, you take the camera. Don't be scared. It's recording. You hold it back. Okay.
Here we go.
Here we go.
I hope I don't get soaked in this whole thing.
Here we go.
Oh, we're flooding up.
Here we go. Uh-oh.
We don't have any extra beer. I got water in my cap. Hold on. Look, I got wet feet. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, we're stalled.
We don't have any extra beer. And we're stuck in a puddle. Good.
Your fuel's sloshing a lot.
We got a dead truck now.
I think Ford's much better for doing this. My Ford rocks.
Well, yeah, and I sure whacked my head off the roof.
Oh yeah!
Oh yeah! Woo!
Action!
Wolf loves it.
Take two. I'll kind of run at it fast.
Oh, I got our muffler falling right off.
Yeah, that's why she sounds so much better now. She's unmuffled.
Wolf sure had a good time.
Right over the hood. Since the water went right over the hood, you can see we've been slimed. Ghostbusters! Look at Wolf. Wolf got slimed too. He's giving himself a face wash. You funny dog. Are you next?
Close side.
Come on, I thought this can make it through. Yours can.
Probably. You better tire.
Oh well.
We walk away.
We walked away, but we need a new battery. It wasn't Chevy's fault or whatever you want to call it. Well, on the way back, saved by a Ford.
Yep.
Oh, look at the guys in the back struggling.
Hanging on for dear life. But it's too quiet. It doesn't sound trucky enough. My truck has this big loud diesel sound the whole time you're in it. Well, back for beer and batteries.
Yep.
So how was the ride?
Fucking awesome. Fucking awesome.